You will viral. You will viral.
This is not the first time that has happened in the capital. If you go back to these kind of incidents where racist attacks have happened on the Northeast Indians, I can give you the example of Nido Tania as well. Like in 2014, I guess, he was killed. And even after that, people did not learn. And there are so many instances, it's not just in national capital, in Bangalore, even in Mumbai also, I have got to learn that there are racist attacks like this. I mean, it's like in 21st century, who attacks someone just because they do not look like us, or like just because we do not look like them.
But I do have a little bit of discrimination. Like when I travel in auto, they used to say, "Itna paisa lega, 70 lega." Then when we arrive, he will say 100 paisa lega. He increased the amount according to himself, according to the time. If there even traffic होगा तो पैसा इतना 70 से 100 क्यों जा सकता है ट्रैफिक से ना, ऐसे डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है. और पता नहीं when I used to do workout in I used to live in there Safdarjung, so I used to work out in their park na. Then they used to put me chinky. I used to chinky and all, Chinese, I don't know why.
But they do not understand the gravity of the racism that is hidden in this particular term. It's not their fault, I would say. This is in the larger picture. This has a deeper significance where these kind of terms are normalized by the larger sections. And that's why the younger generations, they so casually use it without giving a second thought. However, you know, I really like how the Northeast organizations, they are like coming up in spreading awareness about it. But again, yeah, these things are prevalent, I won't deny it. However, I'm a Bengali Muslim from Northeast. I have a separate section of oppression that I have faced, but also I have also faced this kind of oppression because of the impression that is engraved on their mind that people from Northeast are chinky looking, and every Northeasterner has the Mongoloid features according to them, and that's why they can be politically or apolitically termed as chinky.
First when I came to Delhi, मुझे भी इतना टीचर ना हमारा टीचर इतना प्रोफेशनल हिंदी से सिखाता है कि हम लोग भी we don't understand the language, इतना भी नहीं जानता है, हम लोग सिर्फ बेसिक जानता है. तो हम लोग ऐसे मैम लोग को बोलता है कि हिंदी इंग्लिश से करो, तो वो लोग हिंदी. Some teachers, they don't listen, they just teach in Hindi.
People would ask you different questions like, okay, you are from Assam, do you even know how to speak in Hindi? Because we speak in Hindi and it's you who is going to adjust with us. Plus, you need to give all your documents for verification, for which most of the people, I won't blame them, where we had the culture of Aadhaar card in Delhi. Back then in 2015, or 14, we did not have this, Aadhaar card system out there in Kashmir or in Assam, Northeast. So we faced a lot of problem in that way. So we had to, provide our PRC, birth certificates, for which that, we had to run pillar to post going back to Assam, and then it is again a process of 45-60 days. So a harassment in that way, firstly. Secondly, in our daily experiences, when you happen to go to shops, bazaars, it's not that they judge us because we cannot speak a certain language. Even though we speak a certain language, they are so prejudiced against us that they would correct you every moment. Suppose, let's take for example, you go and ask them that we need teen anda, they would say that it's not anda, it's anda. अच्छे से प्रोनाउंस कीजिए, आप दिल्ली में हो।
एक मेरा फ्रेंड ना मेरा फ्रेंड नेटिव में एक फ्रेंड ने मुझे बताया where are you from? I said I'm from Tangkhul, Manipur. Then she said is it some part of China? So I said no, it's India. It's in India ना. वो ऐसे ही हुआ था और पता नहीं मुझे I don't think they consider me as an Indian because I look like Chinese or some kind of Southeast Asian. But हाँ वो ऐसे ही हुआ था. But I think I'm an Indian. I'm 100% Indian.
This happened back then in 2018, where I was living in a rented flat in Zakirnagar, and this person, there was some kind of misunderstanding that happened, and he immediately lashed out at my mother and I. And the next sentence that he uses, पुलिस आके जब ले जाएगी ना, वैसे भी असम का हालत हम जानते हैं, कोई नहीं बचाने वाला है तुम लोगों को, हम मुसलमानों का हाथ ही तुम लोगों को लेना पड़ेगा, तो अच्छे से रहो, अच्छे टेनेंट बन के रहो इधर. In fact, for that matter, some of our friends went to Andhra Pradesh or not Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, and there were people, Hindutva groups, who attacked them, asking them, oh, you're from Assam, show me your NRC. How are we supposed to show you the NRC when NRC is not a documented work? It's an online process, and NRC, because of the pandemic, things got halted. So it is still in the process. So I think things get worked in a very propagandic way. And this is the propaganda which puts an impression on the minds of the people, and things then systematically get implemented and executed in that way. So there is no other go until and unless you educate them, make them aware of it, be it our youngsters, be it our oldsters. That's the only way out.
I think people should try to know more of our culture, heritage, and they should accept as हम लोग को accept करना चाहिए as we are. हम लोग को छोटी आइज़ की वजह से और हम लोग की शक्ल की वजह से discriminate नहीं होना चाहिए. उन लोग को education, अच्छा से education मिलने चाहिए इसकी, क्योंकि हम लोग सब इंसान, we are all equal. So they should know that we are all equal and accept as we are.
I mean, like, seriously, when you talk about Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao, and on the same way, you be unaware of the racist attack that is happening and not being sternly, take a step against it. I mean, your politics is faulty. And on the other hand, if you are being attacked as a North Easterner, I would like to quote Hannah Arendt, if you are attacked as a Jew, fight as a Jew. We have no other go. If they attack us as North Easternians for being chinky or anything, we will also give them back as a North Easterner. That's what we will say. And we will fight. The struggle is on.